Hi everyone, welcome back to part 3 of the lesson on plotting linear equations. Now this time, what if we had something like this? Following on from our last example, we could do, so we're looking at this one. Now what if we had something like 0 times x plus 2y equals 8? Now it won't really matter what x value I put, it's always going to turn out that this bit is gone because any x value you like to think of multiplied by 0 is not there. So I could effectively just rub that out and say that it didn't exist. Now what would happen here? We would go divide by 2, y equals 4. So this could be the equation of a straight line. Now, what sort of a weird straight line would that be? Well, we could think of it as any x value you like, doesn't matter, the y value must be 4. So this could be, pick an x value, all right, -6. What's the y value? Has to be 4. Pick a different x value, anything you like. Okay, let's go with 1. What's the y value? Has to be 4. Pick a different x value, anything at all. Okay, 926. What's the y value? Must be 4. Now this is going to be a very interesting looking line on our graph. Let's pop over to our graph and I'll turn that one off. So there's a y value of 0,4. This other point, well, I don't care where it goes for the x as long as the y value is 4. Let's join our line. It's a horizontal line. Every point on the line has a y value of 4, and literally any x value is allowed. We don't care. There's the equation. Y equals 4. Now, what did I write as the original equation down here? I said 0 times x, which effectively doesn't matter, plus 2 times y equaled 8. Now, if we let that one go, it should be a red line. I'll turn the black one off, and there's the red line exactly through the same thing. The equation 2y equals 8 really just simplifies to the equation y equals 4. So the lesson here, if we have an equation which the x doesn't appear, it means x can be anything as long as the y value is that number. Now the same works if we have an equation that says x equals a number. Let's go x equals -3. That'll do. X equals -3. That one means we can have any y value we like as long as x equals -3. So x must be -3, y could be anything. Maybe y is 6. X, another point, x is got to be -3 by the rule. Y could be anything you like. Y could be -2. Another point for fun, x must be -3. Y could be -3.729. It really doesn't matter. Now let's have a look at what that one would be like on our graph. So this one, we said x had to equal -3. So I'll turn that red line off. X has to be, there's a -3 for x. Now we have to have this one with -3 for x as well. There it is, different y value, don't care about the y values. Draw the line through, there it is, and the equation x equals -3, just like we thought. So the thing to remember, if we have y equals, that is a horizontal line. If we have x equals, that is a vertical line. Thanks for watching. See you next time.